Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Discord stream paused problem. So if you're having problems with your Discord here and your streams are being paused consistently, well, there are a few things here that you may want to try. So first things first is you may want to restart your Discord app first. So sometimes there might be some glitches on the current session that you're currently running right now for Discord. So at the bottom right of the screen, you should see a in this case arrow pointing up. So you want to go and press on it, look for Discord, right click on it, and just click on quit Discord. So just closing Discord via the X button at the top right here doesn't actually do it. So to be speaking, you need to go ahead and do this by this way. Just basically quit Discord here, open it up again, and see if that actually helps. Now sometimes a quick restart of the app here can solve a lot of issues, but if that doesn't solve your issue, well, there's another thing that you could try doing. So in your Discord account here, you want to go to the bottom left here. You should see a gear icon, or you should see the user settings icon. Let's go and press on it. Now, you want to go and scroll down over here, and you want to go ahead and choose the option here for voice and video. Now, under voice and video, you want to scroll down a bit here until you see the section for video hardware acceleration. Now, the thing with video hardware acceleration here, it actually uses your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding, which can actually help in some cases. But if it doesn't actually help you, well, you may want to consider turning this off. So go and turn this off, click on OK, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and basically see if that solves the issue. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.